I know you've seen 1,000,001 content creators online talking about how much they make from social media and you want to be one of them. Well, if that is you, watch this video to see how you can make money from content creation even when you don't have so much followers and also when you live in Nigeria. Hi loves, hi everyone. You're welcome and you're welcome back to the channel. We're talking about money. We're talking about how to make this bag as content creators. Grab something, grab a drink, grab some popcorn because it's about to be interesting and juicy and nice. So first thing I would like to say is to make money, you have to have the mindset that you can make money from something. I'm saying this from a place of experience because I used to feel like until I get brand collaborations or brand deals, that's the only time I can get money, until I get monetized on YouTube. I used to have a very limited mindset. I mean, I knew people were making money, but I just didn't know how. So that's why I'm here actually. So let's actually break it down. The first thing you need to do is get that mindset out of the door. Get it out. It is entirely possible to make anything you can put your value to, anything you can give value to, anything you can help people with. It is very possible to make money with, and content creation is just one of them. So have that mindset first of all. In fact, every day repeat to yourself, I can make money as a content creator even if I have 100 followers. Repeat it to yourself. Number two, you can't make money from something if you have not identified your skills or what you have to offer, because people would only pay you for value. Identify the skills that you have as a content creator. So I've worked with different people and I've realized that everybody has their strengths. One of my strengths is video editing, video storytelling, content marketing, coming up with content ideas. I've realized those are my strengths. So as a content creator, we do a lot of things. That's one of the things I've also realized. A content creator is a graphic designer, a content creator is a social media manager, a content creator is a brand manager, a content creator is a personal assistant. You're assisting yourself, you're an executive assistant, you're a project manager. You can do a lot of things. So identify your strength so you will know what to actually put out so that you would get money and get clients and get jobs and just monetize your skills. But that's what it means to monetize your skills. You have to first identify the skills that you are trying to monetize. Now let's actually go into the 5 or 6 things that you can drag out, that you can milk out of being a content creator. Number 1 is something I like to call brand content creation / UGC content creation. So I'm going to explain both of them and explain why I put both of them in one bracket, because I feel if you can do one, you can train yourself to do the other, right? So for brand content creation, I'm talking about, for example, I have a brand that markets this phone, that sells phone, gadgets, and things like that. Because you have learned how to create content for yourself, you can create content for this phone. I mean, why not? If you can think of creating content for yourself, you're a product, you're a service, you have learned how to create content for yourself. You can also learn how to create content for a product, right? So in that sense, it's also UGC. UGC content means user-generated content. The idea of UGC is that the user uses this product and creates content around it. But as a content creator, you now know how to create this content to look like it is a UGC content. To look like, oh, I'm a user, I have used it, this is my experience, but you have to create it in an aesthetic way that looks good and pleasing for the brand to post on their page. If you're a brand content creator, you don't have to act like you're a user. You're just creating content for that brand, for them to post on their page. You can charge people, charge brands, charge business owners, charge service owners, anything to create content for them, brand content and UGC content. Number 2, which is something I really like a lot, which is video editing. I started my whole content creation journey from YouTube, from learning how to edit videos on my own, learning how to post on YouTube and all of that. So I'm always a fan of video editing. There's a very high possibility that you have learned how to edit videos, you have learned how to do graphic design, so you can render those services to people at very good rates. You can even apply on places like Fiverr, Upwork and things like that, and you can build up on all these skills. But you need to realize that this is something you can actually do because you're a content creator and you do it for yourself, so you can also do it for people. Number 3 is teaching and providing value. I would say this is for people that have built confidence in content creation. It doesn't matter how long you have done it for. You may have done it for 6 months and you feel you are confident enough to teach something. And one thing I've learned is it doesn't have to be one big and mighty thing like master class on content creation. You can just teach a 2 days class on coming up with content ideas, or a 2 days class on how to use ChatGPT as a content creator, or a 3 days class on video editing for content creation, or a 2 days master class on how to pitch to brand. Just anything that you feel like you have learned well enough and you want to share to people is good enough to teach. I promise you. I'm learning that now and I'm resounding it in my ear. But don't stop yourself. Don't feel like, I'm not a pro. I don't know what I'm doing. Fine, we all don't know what we're doing. But the little that you know, you can teach it and people would pay to learn. As far as you let them know, you show them that this thing is really valuable and they see the value in it, they would pay to learn. Take it from me. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. So I'll be very honest here. I have not been able to tap into affiliate marketing. And that is among one of my top goals of this year, of Q1 especially. And I feel very pained that I'm still dragging this on. But affiliate marketing is so good. And I'm not even saying affiliate marketing in the sense as in the ones that we see on the digital marketing era. I'm saying affiliate marketing in its core. If you know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically, I have a product, I'm selling this phone. This phone, I'm going to sell it a lot. I'm selling this phone, right? But I have so many of this phone and I don't have so many customers. Let's put it like that. How do I get people to buy this? And I'll think of something that, it's basically commission-based stuff. What agents and all these people do. If you bring one person, I'll give you a commission off of what I'm going to make. So that's basically it. It's essentially, finding things that you have used. So as content creators, how you can now chip it in instead of just putting random affiliate links on your content. If let's say a particular mic I use, or this shirt, or this earring, everything that you use, find a way to get an affiliate link that people can get it through you and you get a commission. That's one way to earn. It's a very huge way. A lot of people earn money through this. Next one that I feel like as a content creator, along the lines you tend to learn and you can also monetize, is social media management. Being a content creator, you are definitely posting on social media. You're making use of social media every time you post, either YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, any platform you decide. Why not master that platform? Why not master the algorithm, engagement on that platform, how to make use of that platform, so that you can help other people do the same thing. You may not know that you are in some way being a social media manager. I mean, you are being your own social media manager. So why not learn it, master the skill, and then be able to do it for other people? So the last and definitely not the least way to make money as a content creator is exclusive membership and community. So I've seen a couple of people do this online, and I feel like it's also a very interesting way to make money. As a content creator, I feel like one of the things that is very important for growth is having a community. The little community you have, right? You have content creators come in, to that community and they benefit from so many things. And you have them pay to join this community. That is exactly how you earn from it. You create a community for content creators, but for them to join, they have to pay. You may see it as, is this a money-making scheme? No. When they are paying to join your community, you have to provide them some sort of value. It could be a consistency community, a learning community, an accountability community, just anything. But you have to think about it by yourself. Like, what can I offer a group of people if I bring them together? What can I give to them? And you make sure that you make this community very exclusive. You make sure that you provide enough value for everybody in that community. So yeah, guys, those are essentially 5 ways I think we can make money as content creators. There are so many other ways, but these are the 5 ways that I have found and I think are so relevant and you can start doing right now. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post lifestyle vlogs and I also post content around social media and content creation. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe now. If you want to learn how to be consistent, you want to learn how to be a consistent content creator in 2025, then you should watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!